I got myself a salmon, but it's a cold hole. Okay, baby. Paddle's all wrapped around. Probably got this bugger all hooked. He's just doing nothing but head shakes. There we go. Come on, you bugger, run. Yeah, man. Supposed to be a no-fish day. Let's just see if we get foul hooked here. I knew I was going to have some luck today. Okay, what's going on here? Play this fish art. I want to horse him in. Stinger hook. Bugger. Short little runs. If I'm not careful, I'm gonna lose him. In the bag. Well, it's one for the good guys. I'm keeping them. Not a very big one, but I'm keeping them because I know it's slim pickings out here right now. There we go. Oh, about a nice 7 to 8 pound Chinook salmon. It's a wild. It's a keeper for me. Be a good table fare, and better I'm going to be smoking it.